Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 815260. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer. For your case, you selected the NZXT Phantom in green. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 570LX liquid cooling unit, and that is cooling an Intel Core i7 4790K processor. Beside that you have 16GB of Corsair Vengeance 1600 MHz RAM. For your graphics card, you selected dual Nvidia Geforce GTX 780s, and for your sound card, you selected an ASUS Zonar DX7.1. For cable sleeving, you selected individually sleeved green cables, and all your components have been installed on an ASUS Z97 Pro motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected dual green-cold cathodes. Powering your system is a Corsair RM850 power supply. And for storage, you selected a Samsung 840 EVO 120GB SSD along with a secondary 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, two USB 3.0 ports, the antenna ports for your network adapter, a display port, HDMI, optical out, DVI and VGA, two USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your graphics cards. We have 4 DVI, 2 HDMI, and 2 display. Now when plugging in your monitor or monitors, please do not use any of the ports on your motherboard. You want to use the ports on your graphics card below. You want to start from the top and work your way down for a multi-monitor setup. In the middle we have the ports for your sound card. Now when plugging in any sound devices, again, you want to use the ports on your sound card and not on your motherboard. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 120GB SSD along with your secondary 2TB hard drive. In System Properties, Windows 8.1 is your operating system. Your processor is the Intel Core i7 4790K with 16GB of RAM. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 780 graphics cards, along with your ASUS Zonar DX7.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.